afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E350. This is finished in diamond white metallic. This is optioned with the 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke alloy wheels. Walk you around the vehicle and point out anything that stands out to me. We'll start up here on the front lip. Looks like it got a little damage there, maybe from a parking curb. And it does have two remaining holes from the front license plate bracket. Front and rear parking sensors. Notice down here on the bottom of the front bumper, there's a small chip there. And looks like maybe a little bit of rash going on there. Up here at the driver front wheel, you've got some curb rash along the lip there. Back here on the driver rear door, looks like there's a small little dent. It looks like it's been touched up. And there's a little bit of rash there on the edge of the door. Back here at the driver rear wheel, a little more of that curb rash going on along the lip there. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, some more curb rash along the lip. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, some more curb rash there on the lip of the wheel. And we'll take you to the interior. We have a Macchiato beige and black leather. Back seats are in fantastic shape. No rips or tears in any of the leather. Got your all-weather floor mats. Rear sunroof is a fixed glass. The front sunroof is power tilt and sliding. Got your Burl walnut wood trim. Power seats with driver memory settings. So let's have navigation, 3-stage heated front seats, dual zone climate control. We've also got a heated multifunction steering wheel. And current mileage, 56064. And this is actually more of a brown leather. So it may have been upgraded there from the factory. This is also equipped with Premium 1 package, lighting package, lane tracking package, active multi-contour driver seat, heated steering wheel, the keyless go, and Parktronic. Really, really fantastic shape. Again, a few little cosmetic things there on the front bumper, lip, and the wheels. But overall, very well cared for. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here anytime. 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.